During the Cold War, the creation of far more efficient engines, improved suspension systems, and lighter composite armor permitted a tank to have the firepower of a super heavy tank, the armor protection of a heavy tank, and the mobility of a light tank, all in a kit with the weight of a medium tank. We are frequently asked which main battle tank is the finest in the world. Our top 10 list is based on a combination of scores and statistics on protection, firing power accuracy, mobility, armor composition, fire control systems, and other factors. All of the tanks discussed in this video are extremely strong and deadly. T-14 Armata Main Battle Tank. Uralvagonzavod, a Russian firm, created the T-14 Armata, a new generation main combat tank, UVZ. This combat vehicle has digitalized technology, an autonomous turret, and a crew-only armored capsule. It is built on a scalable combat platform that may also be used to build other armored vehicles, including large army fighting vehicles and armored personnel carriers. The tank is 10.8 meters long, 3.5 meters wide, and 3.3 meters tall, with a combat weight of 48 tons. A 125 mm 2A82-1M smoothbore cannon is mounted in an autonomous turret on the T-14 Armata, fueled by an automated loader. There are 45 rounds of ammo in the turret, comprising prepared cartridges. Laser-guided missiles may be fired from the main cannon. The tank is expected to shield up to Stanag 4569 Level 5 standards. It has armored plating in the front and bars armor in the back to give extra protection from rocket-propelled anti-tank grenades. The tank has a maximum operating range of 500 kilometers and can travel at a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour on the road. Leopard 2 A7 Plus Main Battle Tank. The Leopard 2 A7 Plus Next Generation Main Battle Tank is planned and developed for the German Armed Forces by Krauss-Maffei Wegmann. This modern battle tank is a more advanced version of the Leopard 2 A6 MBT, with improved armor and surveillance capabilities. It may be used in both low and high-intensity disputes. For increased sustainability, it makes use of digitized technologies and a multi-purpose user concept. A cooling system is included in the Leopard 2 A7 Plus S turret and base. The tank's modular design enables high-intensity missions in urban areas. The battle tank is 10.97 meters long, 4 meters wide, and has a top turret height of 2.64 meters. The truck weighs 67,500 kilograms and is operated by a 4-person crew. Its exterior features a communication interface that allows dispersed soldiers to communicate with one another. The Leopard 2 A7 Plus MBT is propelled with an MTU MB 873 diesel engine that produces 1,500 horsepower. It also has an operating range of 450 kilometers and a top speed of 72 kilometers per hour. K2 Black Panther Main Battle Tank. The K2 Black Panther Main Battle Tank is being developed by Hyundai Rotem, a Hyundai Motor Group subsidiary, for the Republic of Korea Army. It is 10.8 meters long, 3.6 meters wide, and 2.4 meters tall. The vehicle has a 0.45 meters downforce and a combat weight of 55 tons. The 120mm L/55 smoothbore cannon with automated loading is the main weapon of the K2 Black Panther. The autoloader guarantees that projectiles are loaded on the go, even if the tank is moving across rough terrain. The 120mm cannon has a fire rate of around 10 revolutions per minute. The tank's secondary armament includes a 12.7mm strong machine gun and a 7.62mm machine gun. Composite armor and explosive reactive armor are also installed on the K2 MBT. A collective nuclear, biological, and chemical defense system is also included. A blow-off panel is installed in the ammo chamber to safeguard the crew from ammunition explosions. This MBT has a top speed of 50 kilometers per hour off-road and a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour on the road. It has a maximum road range of 450 kilometers and can ford water up to a depth of 4.1 meters. M1A2 Abrams Main Battle Tank. General Dynamics Land Systems produced the M1A2 in 1986. The tank was built using knowledge gained from the M1A1's performance and combines modern technology to offer greater mobility and firepower. The primary armament is the 120mm M256 smoothbore cannon built by Rheinmetall Waff Munition GmbH in Germany. The commander is equipped with a 12.7mm Barrett M2 machine gun, while the loader is equipped with a 7.62mm M240 machine gun. On the right end of the main armament, a 7.62mm M240 machine gun is placed perpendicularly. 6 periscopes provide a 360-degree view from the commander's position. The M1A2 Abrams tank includes a 2-axis Raytheon gunner's main sight line of vision, which improves target identification and cannon aiming, increasing the first-round hit chance. The Honeywell AGT 1500 gas turbine engine powers the M1. There are 4 forward as well as 2 backward gears in the Allison X 1103B gearbox. The tank has an operating range of 426 kilometers and can drive at a top speed of 67.5 kilometers per hour. Challenger 2 main battle tank. BAE Systems Land Systems Challenger 2 is an upgraded main combat tank. The skills of the Challenger 2 were shown during combat operations in Bosnia, Kosovo, and Iraq, where it was marketed as the world's most trustworthy main battle tank. The Challenger 2's main weapon is the 120mm L30 Charm cannon, while supplementary weapons include a turret-mounted 7.62mm machine gun chain gun and a C-axial 7.62mm. This tank can hold 50 APS, Strom squash heads, soak rounds, and 4,000 rounds of 7.62mm ordnance. Chabam armor of the second generation protects the turret. The turret bustle houses a nuclear, biological, and chemical defense system. Its highest speed on the road is 59 km per hour, with a cross-country speed of 40 km per hour. The range is 450 km by road and 250 km cross-country. Merkava 4 main battle tank. The Merkava 4 main combat tank went into full operation in 2001 and started operational training along with the Israel Defense Forces in July 2003. The tank can carry up to 8 infantry troops. It can fire on the go at moving targets and has proven a high kill rate while firing traditional anti-tank missiles at assault helicopters. The tank is equipped with 7.62mm machine guns and a Soltam Limited developed internal 60mm mortar system. The mortar has a range of 2,700 meters and can fire explosives and illumination rounds. A sophisticated electromagnetic danger detection and warning system is part of the protection package. ELOP's new fire control system has several sophisticated features, including the ability to track and latch on to moving targets, even flying helicopters, while the tank is advancing. Merkava 4 is propelled by a 1,500 horsepower V12 diesel engine. The tank has a top speed of 64 km per hour. Leclerc main battle tank. The Leclerc main battle tank is a 57 tons track machine produced by Nexter Systems, a French government armaments company. In fixed or mobile modes, it can fire dart, explosive, and grenade ammunition. A thermal jacket and muzzle reference system are included with the 120mm 52 caliber smoothbore cannon. A compressed air unit is used to discharge the fumes. The tank features an automated loading mechanism that allows it to fire cross-country towards moving targets. There are 22 rounds of ready-to-fire ammo on board. The tank additionally has a roof-mounted 7.62mm anti-aircraft gun and a 12.7mm machine gun coaxial with the main armament. Small firearms and shell splinters are protected by the flexible ERA panels installed on the tank's back and side. An optoelectronic screening system and an electromagnetic defense system are also included in the T-90MS. The tank has a maximum speed of 60 km per hour thanks to a V-92's 2F engine with a maximum capacity of 1,130 horsepower. Type 10 TKX main battle tank. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Type 10 TKX is a sophisticated 4th-generation MBT built for the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. It measures 9.4 meters in length, 3.2 meters in breadth, and 2.3 meters in height. The tank has a gross weight of 44 tons and a combat weight of 48 tons. Trains and vehicles are both capable of transporting the MBT. The turret of the Type 10 MBT is equipped with an automated loading mechanism. It is equipped with a license-built 120mm L44 smoothbore cannon by Japan Steel Works, an M2 HB 12.7mm heavy machine gun, and a Type 74 7.62mm coaxial machine gun make up the Type 10 MBT secondary armament. A nuclear, biological, and chemical defense system and automatic fire extinguishing systems are included. To assault fixed and moving targets, The Type 10 tank is armed with an improved laser rangefinder and a fire control system. Its engine produces 1,200 horsepower. It has a forward and reverse speed of around 70 kilometers per hour. It has a range of roughly 440 kilometers. T-90MS Main Battle Tank. T-90MS is a modified variant of Uralvagonzavod's T-90 Main Battle Tank. The tank has been upgraded and is being offered to the Russian Army and possible export buyers. In current wartime circumstances, the significantly modernized tank will provide increased fighting capabilities. The tank outperforms its predecessor in terms of firepower and protection. Improved automobile components, protection, suspension, mobility, and firepower are all included. A driver, commander, and gunner are among the 3 crew members who can be accommodated. The tank's fighting weight is 48,000 kilograms. The tank's primary weapon is a 125mm to a 46mm 5 high-precision cannon. Various sorts of ammunition can be fired from the cannon. A 12-cylinder V92's 2F diesel engine with a maximum output of 1,130 HP powers the tank. The engine is connected to a 7-speed automatic gearbox with 1 reverse kit. It has a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour and a capacity of 550 kilometers. It can wade at depths of 1.8 meters, although this allows for a max wading depth of 5 meters. VT4 MBT 3000 Main Battle Tank. China North Industries Corporation created and developed the VT4 Main Battle Tank. It is a 3rd-generation MBT. Armored fighting carriers, major battle tanks, army troops, military facilities, light vehicles, and low-flying helicopters are all targets for this MBT, equipped with a 125mm smoothbore gun. The anti-tank missiles have a maximum range of 5 kilometers. The secondary armament consists of a remote-controlled 12.7mm anti-aircraft machine gun and a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun. The main battle tank has a GL-5 active protection system consisting of 4 fire control radar systems with a detectability of around 100 meters. Roof-mounted panorama views, a laser alert device, and a computerized gun control unit are all part of the machine's fire control module, which may operate at any time of day or night. A rear-mounted 1,200 HP powerful diesel engine linked to a hydro-mechanical drive system powers the VT4 MBT. The tank can travel at a top speed of 70 kilometers per hour on roads and 50 kilometers per hour in cross-country situations, with a max range of 500 kilometers.